UNgizwe Mchunu phambi kwenkantolo ephakamileyo yasePitoli uthi yena Zosinqa Zemfene usamile ekubeni ukuthi ke uCIC Julius Malema vele uyakhokhelwa ngama-Nigerians futhi ke akajiki akabuyi ngasemva, kodwa ke uthi uzosihlonipha isigqibo kanye ke isinqumo esawuthi ke sithathwe yiyo ke inkantolo ephakamileyo. Ngeke nje athi uyasiphikisa, kodwa ke bakhumbule ukuthi naye lo ka-CIC akanayo nje indlela yokuveza amagama. Bakhumbule izinto owazenzayo ukuthi ke wathi ke lo kaJacob Zuma usisihlwengu, waphinde ke futhi ke wathuka uCyril Ramaphosa ngokuthi ke uCyril Ramaphosa unguye ke wabulalisa abantu ngo-2012 eMarikana. Zininzi nje izinto azivezileyo uNgizwe Mchunu, kodwa ke sithi ke umile entweni yakhe.
With the arguments, but I have a problem when he disrespected the judge that was involved, and he did it again when he disrespected the magistrate in city of Uganda, and he disrespected the magistrate there, and he misbehaved inside the house. No, with no remorse, with the foolishness. So as I'm here to represent myself as Ngizwe because him, Ngizwe versus Julius Salomon. It's not an EFF thing, it's him personally. How many people we have slain this country? I want to tell the court straight away that if they found me guilty for what? For the defamation, they may never set a wrong precedence, because for a very longest time, Malema has been sweating all the leaders. He have called Jacob Zuma, the president of South Africa, a rapist when the court fined him that it was not true. And he have called Cyril Ramaphosa that he have killed the people of Marikana, where there is no case open against Cyril Ramaphosa. So there is a lot, and he wake up tomorrow and say everyone, we have learned from him that is allowed in South Africa when you are the member of parliament, when you are under oath, you can go around and swear people as you wish. And so now, as an ordinary citizen of South Africa, I don't think that is fair for the rule of law to find me guilty on the matter of Julius Malema, because it's an open secret that Julius Malema is taking money from foreigners. But I will respect whatever outcomes comes from the court, because I'm here to represent myself. I don't even have a lawyer, but I will state my fact, and I don't want any disturbance for us marching against illegal immigrants. Look at what happened yesterday here in close to Polokwane. There's a lot of illegal immigrants that were flooding to South Africa, and they were arrested. How many of them that will never get implemented? Look at Somalians, they've crowned their own king using our own trademark. And so South Africa, and is a holy thing for us, is a holy symbol of South Africa, because many bloods perish during the apartheid when the dawn of democracy.
If I may just step in, especially on today's proceedings.